In the 20th and 21st centuries, oil has been more than a source of energy. It has been a strategic asset that has shaped diplomacy, conflict, and global power. From the early expansion of British influence over Middle Eastern oil fields in the 1920s to the present-day energy crises affecting international politics, the history of oil is closely tied to the history of war. Control over this resource has repeatedly influenced imperial policy, national security, and economic stability, making oil one of the most contested commodities in modern history. During the 1920s, the British Empire recognized the military and industrial importance of petroleum. Oil had become essential for navies, mechanized armies, and emerging transportation systems. Britain therefore sought to secure access to oil-rich regions, particularly in the Middle East, where the decline of the Ottoman Empire created opportunities for foreign control. Through political agreements, concessions, and strategic influence, Britain established dominance over key oil areas in Iraq and neighboring territories. This control was not merely economic, it was also a means of maintaining imperial power and protecting sea routes to India and other parts of the empire. In this period, oil became a foundation of statecraft and a trigger for rivalry among great powers. The importance of oil grew dramatically during the Second World War. Armies relied on fuel for tanks, aircraft, ships, and vehicles, and the ability to secure oil supplies often determined military success. Regions such as the Caucasus and the Middle East became highly strategic because of their petroleum reserves. The war demonstrated that industrial warfare could not be sustained without reliable energy supplies. After 1945, the United States increasingly replaced Britain as the dominant external power in global oil politics, but the basic logic remained the same: whoever controlled oil held a major advantage in international affairs. The post-war era brought new tensions as newly independent states asserted control over their natural resources. Nationalization movements in the Middle East and elsewhere challenged foreign oil companies and the governments that supported them. The 1973 oil crisis exposed the vulnerability of industrial economies to supply disruption, showing that oil could be used as a political weapon. Prices rose sharply, inflation spread, and governments were forced to reconsider their energy strategies. This crisis marked a turning point, proving that resource dependence could destabilize even powerful nations. In recent decades, oil has continued to shape conflict, though in more complex ways. Wars in the Persian Gulf, instability in energy-producing regions, and competition among major powers all reflect the enduring strategic value of hydrocarbons. At the same time, the global energy crisis of the present day has revealed the limits of existing systems. Geopolitical tensions, sanctions, supply chain disruptions, and the transition away from fossil fuels have made energy security a central concern once again. Although the form of competition has changed, the underlying issue remains familiar: access to energy is tied to political influence and national survival. In conclusion, the history of oil is inseparable from the history of war. From British imperial strategy in the 1920s to today's energy crisis, control over petroleum has driven alliances, conflicts, and economic policies across the world. Oil has fueled machines of war, strengthened empires, and exposed the fragility of modern economies. As the world moves toward new energy systems, the legacy of a century of resource struggles continues to shape international relations.